At Oversampled.us, a new free sample pack has been released. If you go to this free samples section, you will be able to access a new Polygon Future EP sample pack. Once you're on this page, just go to Polygon Future EP free samples button and just click it. You will get redirected to this page. Here just click download and you get the pack. Now let's go into Ableton and let's see what samples are inside. I've included some drums, effects and melodic content. Let's take a look at drums. Here you will be able to access things like build-up drums, claps, drum loops, fills, hi-hat loops, kicks and snares. Inside the effects section you can get things like pre-drop swipes, reverse kicks and risers. Really cool for adding some tension and making your song transition better. Inside the melodic content I've included some ambience things as well as vocals and granular sounds. The sounds are royalty free, so feel free to use them in your songs without any copyright issues. Check out the link in the description to get the sample pack and enjoy!